Innovative Bowling Products is proud to introduce the Innovative Measuring Ball System. This is a product that we are very proud of, and that we know that you'll find this to be a very fast, efficient, and effective tool for use in your pro shop. I want to explain a little bit of what we did with this product. On the inside, which is difficult to see, we have a piece of rotational molded plastic. We took that and we sent that plastic to Storm Bowling Ball Company to put this shell around it. We used the X Factor shell, which we felt was one of the most beautiful bowling balls we had ever seen. And that doesn't sound like a big deal, except for that it attracts attention. When you have this sitting on the counter inside of your pro shop, people come in and they're attracted to it and they're drawn to it. That's a great opportunity for you as a pro shop operator, when they're asking about it, is to get a chance to measure their hand and check it to the existing ball. So now I want to show you how it works. We have a spring-loaded cavity on this side. So what that does is, when you place the customer's thumb all the way down inside there, it has pressure pushing forward on the thumb. Now you lay the hand across the ball, you check the webbing in here. We want this webbing to be taut, not tight like a banjo string, but also not relaxed like that. So you have the thumb placed all the way in the thumb hole, and just slightly stretch the hand out so that this webbing is taut. Now we pick up the span that we want for this customer right off of the span grid here. It accommodates spans anywhere from 2 inches up to and including 5.5 inches, which will handle 99.9% of the customers you're ever going to see. Now, it also has 40 individual holes drilled into the bowling ball. These are used to find the correct hole size for the player. It's clearly marked. There's a 63/64 for this customer. You write that down on your drill sheet and you're ready to go. Check the fingers. So now we have span, we have hole size, and now on the other side of the ball is another spring-loaded cavity. You place the bowler's thumb down inside there, and if you notice, that pivots. There's also 2 lines on the span grid. That represents the bridge of the customer's bowling ball. So you put the thumb down in the thumb hole, get them nice and comfortable, and you lay the middle and the ring finger, one on each side of that span bridge line. You get them into their favorite bowling position, nice and comfortable. Now you hold that, take their thumb out, and now we've just measured the customer's oval angle. In this case, I measured at a 40-degree angle. That information gets put to the drill sheet, and from there it moves over to your mill, so that not only do we cut thumb holes, we cut them at oval angles that are accurately measured. Most cases, in most of the pro shops I visit when I travel, people will measure the oval angle with their hand on top of the ball like this. That's okay, but people don't roll the ball like that. They roll it in an underhanded fashion. So this is the only tool in the market that allows you to accurately measure the hand with the bowler in their favorite bowling position, where the ball is more comfortable laying in the palm of their hand. Now once we have that information, it comes with another tool, and that's this tool right here. What this is designed to do, say the customer got a bowling ball drilled at the pro shop down the road or at one of your competitors, and they did drill them an oval angle. Well, what you do is you take that customer's bowling ball, take your yellow pencil and you take your ProSect, and you draw a line straight between the 2 finger holes down through the center of the thumb. So we're going to draw the center line of that customer's bowling ball. Now, line this up and measure the oval angle that was drilled into that bowling ball. Okay? So what this tool does, when you see this long center line there, we put this onto the bowling ball, line it up like that, and it measures the existing oval angle. So in this case, it measured at a 45-degree angle. Well, what you can do with that information now is you can either verify that what you measured is correct, they did a good job, or it gives you a golden opportunity to plug and re-drill or re-slug the thumb hole, because we just measured the customer at a 40 degrees and you can see this ball was drilled at a 45 degrees, and it gives you a money-making opportunity there to plug and re-drill or re-slug the thumb hole in the other bowling balls. So with the kit, here's another piece that comes with it. Say you're measuring the hand of a child or a lady with small fingers, then this here just fits in there and it takes up the slack of the difference. So that comes with it. So your kit includes the measuring ball with the oval angle, span, all the hole sizes. You get this tool to measure the existing holes of the drill bowling ball, this tool to take up the slack of the small fingers, and a full set of instructions. Comes as a complete set. We're really proud of this product. We know that this tool will get a lot of use in your pro shop.